Welcome to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that everyone needs to know: computer basics.
Absolutely, Elena. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. What's more, we'll also have a Q&A session at the end to answer your burning questions.
That's right. By the end of this episode, you'll understand the key components of a computer, how to navigate your operating system, and some fundamental troubleshooting tips. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a computer?
Great question. A computer is an electronic device that processes data, allowing users to perform various tasks, such as writing documents, browsing the internet, or playing games. It consists of both hardware and software components.
So let's break down the hardware components. What are the main parts of a computer?
The main parts include the Central Processing Unit, CPU, which acts as the brain of the computer, the memory, RAM, which temporarily stores data, the hard drive, which is used for long-term storage, and peripherals like the keyboard and mouse that allow us to interact with the computer.
And what about software? How does that fit into the picture?
Software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. There are two main types: system software, like operating systems, and application software, which includes programs like word processors and web browsers.
Speaking of operating systems, can you explain what an operating system is and why it's important?
Certainly. An operating system is the software that manages computer hardware and software resources. It provides a user interface, allowing us to interact with the computer. Popular examples include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux.
That's really helpful. Now, let's talk about navigating an operating system. What are some basic functions users should know?
Users should learn how to open and close programs, manage files and folders, and customize settings. For instance, knowing how to use the Task Manager to close unresponsive applications can save a lot of frustration.
What's a good way to manage files effectively?
Organizing files into folders, using descriptive names, and backing up important data are key strategies. It's also helpful to familiarize yourself with file extensions like docx for Word documents or .jpg for images.
Now that we understand the basics, let's touch on some troubleshooting tips. What should users do if their computer is acting up?
First, try restarting the computer. It can solve many temporary issues. If that doesn't work, check for software updates or run a virus scan. Sometimes, hardware issues may require professional help, though.
That's great advice. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. What are the key takeaways from today's discussion?
We covered what a computer is, the main hardware and software components, basic navigation skills within an operating system, and essential troubleshooting tips. Each of these skills is fundamental for any computer user.
And for our listeners out there, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you use your computer, the more comfortable you'll become with it.
Exactly. And what most people don't realize is that understanding these basics can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. You'll feel more in control.
Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. We hope you found this episode helpful and informative. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.
And remember, technology is always evolving. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time, take care.
And that's just the beginning of your computer journey. We'll see you on our next episode where we'll dive deeper into specific software applications. Bye for now.